Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2022 Nissan Juke 1.6 Hybrid Premier Edition. Petrol automatic. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RC breakdown cover, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights, LED fog lights, and front parking sensors. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. Coming along the side, we have privacy glass. Down to the rear wheel. Around to the back, we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have full leather interior with white stitching. USB charging point. Let's take a look inside the front. Here we have the infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate controls, drive selector, electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.